welcome WBP stars. My name is Yornie van Dijk, chef and owner, restaurant Basiliek in Harderwijk, the Netherlands. First we start with our Amuses, before we go to the first course in the menu. We have two preparations, two different plates. We start with the trout from Emst. Emst is a place nearby Harderwijk. They call it smollard. We cooked the trout very slowly on 38 degrees for 15 minutes for a very nice texture and taste. We combine it with some citrus gel, and on top we have small leaves of green sorrel. We put some crumble on it from hemp seed. It's also the same flavors for the next course. It's like the whole storyline. And on another plate that's made, put some chops of cucumber and black radish, also puffed hemp seed. And we combine it with some vinaigrette. We have here some juice we made of fermented black radish. And we have some ice pastille from cucumber juice. And we have also some lemon verbena oil. And on top we put the hennep seed tree on top. Then we finish another amuse with some ice cream sorbet made of lemon verbena. And we finished our meals with the vinaigrette based on cucumber juice and sorrel oil.